Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're facing. We have this vendor-provided C library called foo that has various API calls, all taking a handle and returning either success or an error code. We want to create our own exception class called FOOException in C++ to handle these errors more gracefully. To assist with transitioning existing code, we aim to implement a wrapper function that will call the API, check for errors, and throw an exception if needed. The challenge lies in extracting the handle from the arguments passed to each API call, as the handle may not always be in the same position in the arguments list. How can we tackle this issue efficiently? Now onto the solution. By utilizing a neat trick, we can extract the foo handle from the R's list by creating a std tuple and then obtaining the handle using std get. This way, we can dynamically fish out the handle without worrying about its position in the arguments. The line of code to achieve this magic is auto and handle equals std getFooHandle and std tie args. It simplifies our wrapper function and ensures a smooth extraction of the handle regardless of its location in the argument list. How cool is that? In summary, we've explored a clever solution to efficiently extract the handle from the arguments list in C++ when creating a wrapper function for a vendor-provided C library. By using std get with std tie, we can effortlessly retrieve the handle, simplifying our error handling mechanism. I hope this helps you navigate through similar challenges with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Catch you in the next one.